to have got involved in. First-hand experience of the world of work to help them start their career, whether that's through short-term work experience, or a apprenticeship opportunity.
Because they give young people a choice, they give us a stepping stone towards what we want to do in life.
Just settling up. Everything that there was this opportunity to really think big, not just imagine.
This is my dog.
Scholarship, so a long-term program.
He's doing idol.
Everything that I could ask for.
The media training and just the whole support network, probably the ups and downs.